Transform your everyday fuel stops into rewarding experiences with the Exxon Mobil Rewards app. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to your smartphone's app store. Whether it's the Apple App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android, search for Exxon Mobil Rewards and tap Install. Once downloaded, open the app to reveal a clean and intuitive interface at the bottom. You'll find your main navigation bar with key sections: Home, Rewards, Offers, and Account. This is your gateway to all the app's fantastic features. The home screen is your dashboard. Here, you'll see your current rewards points balance front and center. It's a quick glance to see how close you are to your next reward, encouraging you to keep scanning. Tap on the Offers tab to discover a world of exclusive savings. Exxon Mobil frequently offers special promotions on fuel, convenience store items, and more. Make sure to check this section regularly to maximize your savings. Love freebies? The Rewards tab is where the magic happens. Here, you can track your progress towards different reward tiers and see exactly what you can redeem your hard-earned points for. Think of it as your personalized reward catalog. Using the app is simple. At the point of sale, simply present your digital card within the app. A barcode or QR code will appear to the cashier, or scan it at the pump. Your points will be automatically credited, or your discount applied, making every transaction seamless. Under the Account tab, you can manage your personal information, view your transaction history, and even link payment methods for an even faster checkout experience. It's about putting you in control. So, download the Exxon Mobil Rewards app today and start turning every visit into a win. It's the smart way to fuel up and save.